Oh my god, please excuse my hair. So like I said, we're going to the beach. That's exactly why I have not done my hair. I'm going to pick up my cousins right now because they're coming with us, which is always a good time. Just gonna pick them up and then go back to my house, you know, finish getting all the stuff ready to go while my boyfriend gets to the house because he's coming too, obviously. But yeah, it's pretty hot. It's 100 degrees here. So beach is pretty much well needed, if you ask me. So yeah, we're probably just gonna go. I was telling the girls I've like never been to Malibu. I've been, you know, to other beaches, which are like Huntington, Seal Beach, Venice, but I've never been to Malibu. So I would like to go there today, and I think that's what we're gonna do. I mean, why not, you know? And they've never been there either, so they're pretty stoked about that. They want to go on a Harry Styles house hunt, because I guess he has a house out there, and they're like obsessed with him. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what we're doing, and I will vlog soon. I'll vlog when I get my cousins, so you guys can see them. These are like the cousins that we like do everything with. The oldest is, her name is Cassie. She's 16. The middle one is Josie, and she's 13, 14, something like that. She just went into high school last week. So fast. And then the little one, little Jay, he's the baby of the family, but he's not coming because I guess he has soccer friends that he hangs out with, so he's pretty excited about that. And he's 8, I believe. So yeah, these are my cousins. We grew up like that. I mean, yeah, I'm way older than them, but I don't know, I have fun with them. They're a little bunch of crazies together. So I will vlog when I pick them up. Hi guys. These are my cousins. That's Cassie. How old are you, Cass? 16. Just. 16. How old are you?
17.
Oh, yeah, 13.
Hey.
And that's, you know who. The famous sister in the video with the most views.
Hurry up. We are at the beach. And I'm taking over Ben's vlog. I'm Josie. That's Ben's boyfriend, Vincent. He's not gonna say that. That's Cassie. Cassie, say hi.
Hi.
Diana is over there. Wow, you
She's
guys
standing her leg.
standing her leg.
We're eating.
McDonald's.
Took forever to get here, but we got here.
Why do you lock yourself up? Okay. We'll do it later. Here.
Oh my.
And there's really cute lifeguards and that footage, I just got that. That was mine. Here, Vincent, say hi. What is that? Ew. Say hi, Cass.
Stop. That's so weird how hair is like so like.
It'll focus on me, right? Bang!
Let me see.
Bang!